Only the users with a Zoom subscription can enjoy AI Companion and unlimited shared and personal documents in Zoom Docs. The familiarity with Google Docs among users seems to be unmatched considering its feature richness and the convenience it offers to store essential documents on the cloud in real time. Now, this popularity is seemingly going to fade as Zoom, relatively a newcomer against Google in the landscape of technology, has launched its own word processing tool named Zoom Docs. The debut of Zoom Docs was announced in an official blog posted on Zoom's official website. The primary focus of the word processing tool is to complement virtual meetings where making notes of a crucial project is mandatory for enterprises and individuals. Not only does Zoom Docs enhance the video conferencing experience, but it also ensures a more streamlined interconnectivity with the help of AI Companion, which is already incorporated in the video. The Google Docs competitor can at the moment be availed at no cost, but there's a catch: only the users with a Zoom subscription can enjoy AI Companion and unlimited shared and personal documents, whereas the free users can have only 10 shared docs with unlimited personal ones and without AI Companion. Zoom Docs is our first Zoom workplace product with generative AI built in from the ground up. It effortlessly transforms information from Zoom meetings into actionable documents and knowledge bases, so teams can stay focused on meaningful work, said Zoom's Chief Product Officer Smita Hashim. The tool allows users to grant others access to a specific document and decide whether they can comment within the document to offer their feedback or views about the content. Zoom Docs is included at no additional cost with Zoom Workplace paid licenses, creating even more value for our customers. With AI Companion available every step of the way, Zoom Docs is purpose-built to empower people to work happy and give them more time back in their day, added Hashim. By utilizing the AI Companion, users can elaborate or make the content of a document precise if need be. The company claims that business documents are tailored to make revision and content generation easier.